So you guys won't believe what's going on right now. The time is currently 1:30 in the morning. It's don't show you guys the dates. Uh, Today is currently the 27th. You guys can see 27th of February, 1:30 in the morning. Uh, 1:30 in the morning. So I saw this trade on the 2 hour time frame. So I took advantage on the trade on the daily time frame. Let me show you guys the reason why I took advantage on this particular trade, because I've been seeing this principle, this concept happening over time in the forex market, and I've been more, should I say, observant to this kind of patterns, this kind of candlestick in the market. So this is the reason why I took this particular trade, and I'm willing to hold this particular trade up until probably around this area, because that was the overall highs. And you guys can see this on the 4 hour time frame. Let me show you guys the daily time frame where I noticed that price was literally going to go all the way to the upside. So here's the daily time frame. Like you guys know, I trade supply and demand, and I saw something very familiar on the daily time frame. I saw that a demand zone has been respected. A demand zone was actually being respected, and there was a fair value gap here. You guys can see the fair value gap. uh Fair value gap. There was a fair value gap there, which is like the imbalance, and the market has literally been respecting that particular zone. So here was what happened when the market came back to um the daily demand zone. Here was what happened when the market came back to the daily demand zone. The market reacted off of that particular demand zone, and also after the first reaction, you guys can see the first reaction. You guys can literally see the first reaction. Price came all the way to the downside, reacted from this particular supply zone, feeling this fair value gap, reacted and came all the way to the downside again to react. So this was actually the reason why I took this particular trade. I've seen this happen over time in the forex market. Whenever price does, or do rather, something like this particular candlestick, it means that the market is literally going to fill this particular candlestick up again before maybe if it wants to do its manipulation, or the market wants to go the opposite direction, it's going to either fill this particular candlestick all the way to the top, fill the candlestick all the way to the top before coming all the way to the downside. You guys get? So I've been seeing this formation over time in the forex market, and this is the reason why I took this particular trade off of that daily candlestick. And here you guys can see price was ranging after mitigating and feeling the imbalance, went up again, went down, went up again, came all the way to the downside. Then you guys can see it's on the 4 hour time frame, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Price broke out of this structure, came back down, mitigated. So I'm looking to take this trade all the way to this upside to close it at around this area. I have the trade running on my account right now. Let me show you guys. See if you guys can see. Here's the trade running on my account right now. You guys can see the time, 1:36 in the morning. So I'm holding this particular trade, and when I'm up tomorrow morning, I'll update you guys on the progress on this trade. When I'm up tomorrow, I'm saying tomorrow, when I'm up today, early in the morning, so I'll update you guys. Yeah, that'll be pretty much it for now. I'll update you guys when I'm up in the morning for our time frame, AD. Let's see what happens. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So I literally just woke up. I'm going to show you guys the update on the trade. The update on the trade on AUD NZD. AUD NZD. I showed you guys earlier on. So I'm going to show you guys the update. The trade is currently running in profit right now. So I'm going to show you guys the update on the trade and my account as well. The account I'm trading that the account I'm taking that particular trade on. So I'm going to show you guys the trade right now. So you guys. So this is currently the update on the trade. This is currently the update on the trade. I told you guys, I've seen this happen a lot of times in the market. I've seen this happen a lot of times in the market. Whenever price closes to the week all the way to the upside. Market will definitely fill up all of this candlestick. Before doing is probably market wants to do what's it called, manipulations going all the way to the downside. It will definitely fill up this candlestick all the way to the upside, fill it up before doing is thing, going all the way to the opposite direction, or start rallying all the way to the upside. So I've seen this happen a lot of times in the market, and guess what, this on the daily time frame, you guys can see this on the daily time frame. So the trade is literally running right now. um the trade is literally running right now. Let me show you guys. Remember I set my TP all the way to this particular top, two positions. The trade is literally running. So yeah, so this is actually how I trade. I do not trade candlesticks, patterns and everything. You guys, I know I trade supply and demand concept, but whenever I see something like this that I've always been seeing in the market, I likely want to take advantage on that particular trade setup. So you guys get. So yeah, I think this would be like, I probably should end this video right now. When you trade East, take profits, I'll update you guys. If not, I might probably just close halfway around or halfway to take profit. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go.